Welcome to a complete course on digital marketing. In this course, you will learn digital skills to build and execute digital marketing strategy. I am Ashish, and with my co-creators Vivek and Sukanta sir will be leading you into this course. I started my career as a corporate employee, then became an entrepreneur and soon transitioned into a full-time digital marketer. I have been building and executing digital marketing campaigns for the last 8 years. My venture regrob.com has won many accolades because of good digital marketing, like fastest growing startup in India and fastest growing real estate brand in South Asia. Currently at regrob, I work with some of the brightest minded digital marketing. At regrob and my consulted companies, I am responsible for more than 10 lakh digital interactions, 50,000 plus leads, and huge number of actual e-commerce transactions every month. My co-creators in this course have more than 40 years of core marketing experience in this digital world. We designed this course for people looking to learn digital marketing skills to build and execute digital marketing plan for a product or service. By the end of this course, you will be very clear about marketing mixes in digital world, and you will be able to build a effective and nice plan to sell a product or service. We will work with you in practical lesson method. This method is great to deliver actual results, and by this method you will be able to make actual gains, effective gains in digital marketing skills. We will also discuss practical applications of digital learning and actual life case studies in a very step-to-step elaborate process. The ideal students for this course is freshers, final year students, and 2 to 3 years of experience professionals who are looking to make a career in digital marketing. This course will boost your CV so that you will get the right calls, right attention from digital recruiters, and you will be able to talk confidently in digital marketing interviews. Feel free to have a look at this course, and I am looking forward to see you in this course. Thanks a lot.